Hello friends, I'm Sujata. You're watching All Season Gardening. Once again, welcome back to my channel. Today's topic is top 10 most beautiful flowers for your garden or best flowering plants for your home garden, balconies, offices with relaxing music. The first one is stalk flowers. Stalk flower enjoy full sun but will bloom just fine in partial shade conditions as they get at least 2-3 hours of sun per day. Indirect light will also keep them blooming. Flower color various: pink, apricot, purple, blue, white. Plant type biennial or half hardy annual. Pansies. Pansies are vigorous, fast growing, colorful flowers. They are a good choice for early and late season containers or garden beds. Flower color white, yellow, purple, blue, red, pink. Plant type perennial, annual, biennial. Golden shrub daisy. It's a compact perennial shrub in the daisy family. Its finely divided grey-green leaves provide a great background to the cherry yellow flowers that appear almost year-round and are attractive to pollinators. Alyssum. Alyssum is small and pretty easy to grow, summer flowering hardy annual that goes by several names: sweet Alyssum or Alison. Snapdragon. Snapdragon is another name for the flower known as dog flower in India. Dog flowers are frequently used as cut flowers as well as ornamental plants. Snapdragon produce multiple flowers on stalks and can range in height from 8 inches to greater than 3 feet. Annual candytuft. It blooms in just 55 days from seedlings. The splendor annual produces dense cluster of small white, pink or purple flowers. It prefers full to partial sun and dry to moderate moisture. Mexican marigold. Big marigold is a species of flowering plant in the genus Terrace, native to Mexico. Despite being native to America, it's often called African marigold. Gazania, rigens. It's sometimes called treasure flower. Is a species of flowering plant in the family Asteraceae, native to coastal areas of southern Africa. It is naturalized elsewhere and widely cultivated as ornamental plant. Trumpet bushes. Dicoma is a genus of 14 species of shrubs or small trees in the trumpet vine family Bignoaceae. It's a species of flowering perennial shrub in the trumpet vine family. Nastaritums. It's a cheerful and easy to grow flower. The bold blooms and edible leaves, flower and seed pods make them especially fun. These plants include both perennial and annual flowering species in the Trumpet genus. Mussenda pink plant. Mussenda pink is an evergreen shrub. Firstly, have distinct looks and they produce stunning colored flowers. It's extremely popular ornamental plant that is grown globally. So friends, this is all about the topic. Hope you find this video informative and interesting. If you're new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe to this channel and also like, share and comment. Thank you friends. Thanks for watching. Thank you.